Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up screensaver on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So you have to click on with your pointer and middle finger at the same time on the desktop and you can see the change desktop background option. And then you can see here the screensaver. Click on that and you have to turn on this option, show screensaver after. Here you can set the time, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and so on. And then you can select the way you would like to see your screensaver, like floating, flip up, and so on. And here you can set to show with clock option as well. And that is. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.